Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I used some fairy lights to write my name. However, in this video, I will be doing some drawing. Basically, I will be drawing 3 arts using different layers of light and different shades of light. Here, you have art number 1, which I use a red layer to form the shape of an art. I'm running another layer of light using a white light to create some added ambience. So just enjoy as I go. There you have it, art number 1 with 2 layers. I will be adding another layer using another red light, but before so, just neat it up a little. Yes, and then get ready for layer number 3. Now I'm adding layer number 3 using another red light. I'm trying to get it as neat as possible. It's a little challenging, but we'll see what the end looks like, okay? Now I have completed number 1. Take a look. I will be moving on to number 2 and then to number 3. These arts will be smaller than the first one, so fold the light in 2. Now I will begin to create that art shape. And so it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. So as you know, I started with a red layer in the first art, so I will do the same over here. So the first layer will be in red. There you have it. It's time for layer number 2, and as you know, this will be in white, okay? Put in the finishing touch to this layer. Yes, at this moment I'm just trying to get a neat finish, you know, get it a little neater than it is. Here you go, the quality is workable. So it's time for layer number 3, and as you know, I'll be using a red light for layer number 3. there you have it, mission accomplished. I have completed all 3 arts. Now I will be showing the completed arts from a few different angles. This was the first one I did, so this would be number 1, number 2, and here you have art number 3. So there you go, with a work of art, or you could say some artwork. I hope you enjoy viewing, you know, enjoy the scenery and the ambience. I had fun drawing these arts for you guys, so I hope you all enjoy and have fun watching. And as you know, these are just some freestyle practical, meaning no preparation was put in place before. I just get drawing, get my lights, and that's it for me, you know. So I'm just free flowing and enjoying what I'm doing while I'm doing it. And as you know, there will always be some related videos, as this is what I do. I'm into lighting and decoration, so my channel will reflect lighting and decor. So feel free to browse my channel. I have a lot more wonderful videos, so just feel free, just browse and enjoy. I will be anticipating your reaction, so please leave your comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I have videoed these from different angles to give different viewpoints. Hope you find them to your liking.
Bye.